Welcome back to Top Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to tell you guys some of the common symptoms of a bad camshaft position sensor. This part here is the camshaft position sensor, and that sensor can be found somewhere on the cylinder head. And the purpose of the camshaft position sensor, it is to monitor the rotational speed of the camshaft. By monitoring the rotational speed of the camshaft, the engine control module, also known as the computer, it is going to help adjust fuel and ignition timing. How do you know you got a bad camshaft position sensor? And the first and most common symptom is that you're going to get some sort of code. You're going to get code for P0340 to P0349. If you're getting some sort of camshaft position sensor code, then most likely you're going to notice there's going to be idle issue. If you notice the engine is running rough at idle, and also if you notice that the RPM is low and it feels like the engine wants to stall or the engine might stall, and that's how you know you're going to have a bad cam sensor. The next symptom is going to be starting issue. If the camshaft position sensor is failing, and if you're trying to start your vehicle and you notice that it takes a few attempts for the engine to start, or you notice that maybe the engine won't start at all because maybe you have one or two bad cam sensor that failed completely, and that's how you know you're going to have a bad camshaft position sensor. The next symptom, it is going to be acceleration issue. Again, when a camshaft position sensor is sending poor signal or no signal to the computer, and when you're trying to accelerate, for example, let's say you shift from park to drive and you're trying to accelerate and you notice that the vehicle is hesitating to go, or you notice again if the vehicle wants to stall, or you notice that vehicle is starting to jerk, that's how you know that you're going to have a bad camshaft position sensor. And of course, if the engine is not running efficient caused by a bad camshaft position sensor, you're going to notice poor gas mileage. Now I'm going to show you guys why camshaft position sensor fell. Here is the camshaft position sensor. Again, it is going to be located directly on the cylinder head. And the first and most common reason why the cam position sensor stopped working is going to cause by broken wire. If that wire is broken or it is frayed, again, it can cause the camshaft position sensor to not work properly. And the next reason is going to be a connection issue. For example, if the connector is broken or there's a lot of engine oil on that connector, again, it can cause the camshaft sensor to not work properly. The next reason why the camshaft position sensor is not working properly is because of interference. For example, if the camshaft position sensor is contaminated caused by sludge or very dirty engine oil or debris, or there's a buildup of metal particles on that camshaft position sensor, again, it will not work properly. So I suggest removing the camshaft position sensor and clean it with a shop rag or carburetor cleaner. The next most likely issue is going to be a mechanical issue. For example, if there's something wrong with the camshaft, for example, there's something wrong with the reluctor wheel, or let's just say you have a timing issue, again, the camshaft position sensor cannot get a proper reading. So make sure to fix the mechanical issue. So those are the symptoms of a bad camshaft position sensor. I hope you found this lesson useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.